Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Z-Blaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch, and this time we are going to check one of its smart features, the music control function. So we are going to try this one. We are going to test whether it works with a music player on our smartphone, or will it work with other music applications such as YouTube Music, Spotify, as well as YouTube or TikTok. We'll check that out if this smartwatch will work with these apps. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. So our smartwatch here is paired with a FitCloud Pro application. As you can see here, we are connected. And let's see if there are some settings for the music control function. We do have here the shake photograph, activity reminders, sports push. We also have it here. Then we also have automatic health monitoring, but we don't see any details here or option for the music control function. Okay, we don't have it here. We have Google Fit, but we don't have the music control function. Maybe we have to set something here in our smartwatch. So we have here, let's check this one. We do have a Bluetooth call support, media audio. Let's turn this one on. Oh, you have to activate this one, I think. Let's see. Okay. To be able to use this one, you have to activate the Bluetooth call. Okay, so it's now connected, as you can see here. Connected to media audio. Other settings that we have to set: display, language, vibration and ring, QR code, set time, system. I guess nothing else. So let's start. Let's try. Okay, so we have here the Samsung Music Player. So let's open this app. So we have here my music sample. Okay, so let's try and listen. Yes, it works. But we don't have any title here. Next. Next. Go back. Next. Stop. Play. Next. Increase the volume. Okay, let's see. Okay, increase the volume. Increase. Yes, it works, but we don't have the title here. Go back. Okay, so it works with the Samsung Music Player here. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, next, let's see with the Spotify account. So we have here some songs. Okay, let's reduce the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Okay, or maybe we just mute it and see if we will just go forward or backward with the sound. Okay, or with the music. Okay, let's see with this one. Grenade. Let's see next. Yes. Okay, go forward. How about backward? Nope. Okay, so it will not allow you to go backward, but you can go forward. Okay, so it works. As you can see here, it works, and we heard the sound of the song. Pause. Okay, as you can see here, GTS 3 Pro. You can also increase the volume as well as decrease the volume here. Okay, so it works with the Spotify account, YouTube. Let's see. So we have here some free music from Liborio Conti. Okay, no copyright music. I guess we can listen to this one. Okay, let's wait. Skip. Increase the volume. Decrease the volume. Next. Okay. Let's go with this one. Copyright music. Next. Are we subscribed? Yes, we are subscribed. Video. Pause. Play. Yes. Increase the volume. Go back. Go decrease. Stop. Okay, so far it works with the YouTube application, as you can see here. Okay, so great so far. Let's go with the YouTube Music. Okay, let's see with this one. Stop. Decrease the volume. Next. Yes, it works. Next. Next. Increase the volume a little. Stop. Go back. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay, so far as you can see here, everything works except that you don't have a title here for the song. Okay, but so far the control here works. Okay, it works with the Samsung Music or with a music player on your phone. It works with Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. How about the TikTok here? Okay, let's wait. Stop. Next. Don't allow. Next. Okay, so it's not working with the TikTok account. Okay, it's not working with the TikTok account. Okay, so the only apps that works with the music player are, okay, music player on your phone, Spotify, YouTube Music, and YouTube. How about this one, Pocket FM? So these are podcasts. So let's see if this thing works. Next. Stop. Okay, go back. Okay, so it's not working. How about this one? Next. Stop. No, it's not working. Next. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, so that's it. It did not work with a TikTok and a Pocket FM here, but it works with this one, these applications. Okay, it works. Okay, it works good. Okay, but no title for the music control function here on our Z-Blaze GTS3 Pro. But so far the controls are okay. The volume control also works. So that's it for the music control function of our Z-Blaze GTS3 Pro smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Goodbye.